Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm streaming. I'm streaming like right now, so if you want to, you can just go watch it. I know that this isn't like a real video, but the only way that I can like get any views on my Twitch stream and talk to people is if I just make a quick little video on my YouTube channel saying, "Hey, look, I'm streaming on Twitch right now," because I want to save streams for Twitch and not like I don't know what is the word, or infiltrate my channel with a whole bunch of live streams. I just want real videos. So yeah, just click on the link. You don't even have to have Twitch to watch my live streams. And it's also, you can watch it because it's a lower quality. So yeah, it's 720p, 48 FPS. So if you're using like an old phone or something, I don't know. I don't have enough viewers for it to be that many things. But yeah, if you want to, you can go subscribe. I know you probably didn't know what I just said because I am kind of crazy, but yeah, just go watch it if you want to. I'm just gonna be streaming for I don't know how long. Could be 15 minutes, could be an hour, I don't know, hopefully. But yeah, just click on the link if you want to, and I'll see you when I'm streaming. See you later.